Are you ready to apply for a bachelor's degree in Germany? Wait, don't submit your documents just yet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact documents you need, explain why they matter, and share insider tips that most students, and even agents, don't know. Whether you're applying to TU Munich, Heidelberg, or any German university, this guide could save your entire application. Welcome to Excellentia Study Abroad Consultancy, the leading platform trusted by ambitious students worldwide to get results. We specialize in essay writing, which is just $30. CV/resume creation for just $20. Bachelor's, master's, and PhD applications, from $40 to $300 based on your preferred package. Scholarship and internship guidance, included in all application packages. Paid consultation, $10 per hour to answer every question and guide you step by step. And we sell West African Examination Council original scratch cards for African students, original WAEC scratch cards. All our services are listed in the description box, along with our social media handles. Follow us, stay connected, and join our global community where success is the standard. Let's dive into the documents you must prepare before applying for a bachelor's degree in Germany, and the hidden requirements that could delay or deny your admission. 1. Secondary School Certificate, WAEC/NECO, etc. This is your proof of completion from high school. It must be a clear scanned copy in PDF format. If it's not in English or German, get it officially translated, not by a friend or random translator, preferably by a sworn translator or certified body. Secret tip: some universities also ask for certified or notarized copies. If you ignore this, your application may be thrown out quietly. 2. Transcript of academic records. Even if you don't have a formal transcript from high school, some schools expect a detailed breakdown of subjects and grades. You can request this from your school. Again, translation may be necessary. 3. International passport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 12 months from your intended start date. If you're underage or need parental consent, Germany may ask for additional forms. 4. Passport photograph. Use a biometric photo with a white background, not your regular selfies or local ID shots. Germany has strict photo specs. You can download the exact format from embassy websites. 5. Proof of language proficiency. If your program is in English. IELTS, minimum 6.0 to 6.5. TOEFL, minimum 80 IBT. Cambridge C1 or equivalent. If it's in German. TestDaF or DSH required. Pro tip: even if your high school was in English, some universities still require official test scores, especially in public universities. Don't assume. 6. Curriculum vitae, CV. Germany expects a formal, structured CV, even for undergrads. Use the Europass format, or work with us to create one that includes your academic history, language skills, extracurriculars, and voluntary service. Ours are tailored to make you stand out, for just $20. 7. Statement of Purpose/Motivation Letter. This is your key to impressing the admissions team. You'll explain why you chose Germany, your specific program, your academic journey, and your long-term goals. Our $30 essay service has helped students get into top German universities, even with average grades. 8. Uni-Assist payment receipt. If your school uses Uni-Assist, you must create an account, upload your documents, and pay about €75 for the first university and €30 for each additional one. Download the payment receipt and upload it as proof. 9. Additional docs, university-specific. Some programs may also ask for letters of recommendation. Portfolio, for creative arts/architecture/design. Pre-university assessments. Proof of volunteer experience or social service. Always check the exact program page, not just the general university website. 10. If applicable, APS certificate. This is only needed if you're from China, India, or Vietnam. For African and most non-Asian students, it's not required. Unique value, what others don't tell you. Now here's what most YouTubers and agents won't tell you. Document order matters. German schools want a specific arrangement. We'll help you structure your files to match German expectations. File names matter. Don't upload files like mycfinalfinal.pdf, rename them professionally, firstname_lastname_cv.pdf. Avoid scanned photos from phone apps. Germany prefers professional PDF scans. You now know exactly what to prepare for a successful bachelor's application in Germany. But here's the truth, most people still get rejected because of minor technical errors or lack of clarity in documents. That's where we come in. Let us help you perfect your documents, structure your application, and even increase your chances of landing a fully or partially funded offer. Book a consultation now for just $10 per hour. Or select an application package that fits your goals, from just $40 to $300. All our details and social handles are in the description box. Like, comment, and share this video with any student thinking about Germany. Subscribe to our channel because we're just getting started, and what's coming next will give you even more of an edge. At Excellentia, we don't just process your documents. We position you for success. See you in the next video.